Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm going to show you a really cute craft if you are into jewelry making. I actually handmade these beads, you guys. Look at these are super cute and adorable with fabric. These were done with fabric and these were done with colorful yarn. But look at it, I love it, love it, love it. I'm going to do a ton more of these things. But if you have yarn, this is great. Also, let me grab some fabric. Also, if you have fabrics, you know, like just different patterns, this would also be great. I know I'm about to get into making, you know, some tribal looking boho jewelry. So, you guys, let's go ahead and get into this craft. Alright, you guys, so I'm not sure if you can see the difference, but this one is one that I did not glaze. This one I glazed. It does have has like a little shine to it. You can tell the difference. My camera is not really focusing. I just put one coat, and it also like helped to make the bead hard as well. And I went on ahead and I glazed this as well. Oh my god, it's not even going to show. Okay, anywho, so let's see how the cutting is with this, because this is my first time doing it. I don't know what it's going to do, y'all. Well, I will say that it did help hold the yarn together compared to it not being glazed. As you can see, like some of the yarn is like loose compared to this, where it's perfect. and it's hard. Like you see this one, like you can see the yarn trying to unravel. But with these, it doesn't look like that's gonna be don't look like that's gonna be a problem as long as you got some sharp scissors. Tried to do it on a few pieces, but I just cut it down. Those are some really cute beads. Okay, I like it. Now this one, I did 2 coats on this one just to see if it would have more of a shine. It doesn't look to have made a difference. At least not me. I'm not seeing a difference. This is still wet, you guys. I should probably let this dry all the way. Yeah, I would definitely glaze the beads, because these came out like so much better than when I did not glaze it. And so did these as well. I'm not sure if you can see much of a difference, but these do have like a gloss to them, while these are just more matte. It's cute. It was just a little, you know, project idea I thought of that I will share with you guys. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. But you guys know that you can get creative with this. Use these for jewelry, earrings, necklaces, all types of things, and all types of crafts. So I will see you guys very soon. Bye.